Oh, today's July 4th. Oh yeah, it's 2020. Because we cannot go outside, that means I will just light it inside. Huh. I wonder why it says light there. It definitely wasn't easy to lift. Oh, okay then. Crap, I should probably stop holding on to I'm heading towards the moon. I guess this is it. Goodbye, cruel world. Oh wow, I actually survived that somehow. Even though I'm literally traveling faster than light speed, I kinda miss Earth. I wanna go back. Oh hey, there it is. Please slow down, please slow down. Please slow down, please slow down, please, 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 please slow down, please, please slow down, please slow down. Phew. Oh, that's cute.